BMR, calories, macronutrients. I know guys, you are always thinking that this dude Saurav is always talking about this kind of stuff. What are they basically? And guys, welcome back to Target Aesthetics. The main aim of Target Aesthetics is to bring out the best version of yourself, whether it be fitness, whether it be lifestyle, and whether it be nutrition. So guys, basically today I'll be clearing your doubt about what is calories, what it is basically, right? So without wasting time, let's bang on. But prior to that, I would like to notify you people that I am posting regular stuffs about lifestyle, nutrition and some fitness. So you guys can feel free to subscribe me and even press the bell notification icon so that you do not miss any regular updates from my channel, where I will be uploading some crazy, efficient, effective, smart tips and tricks, right? Even the workouts also, right? So guys, without wasting time, let's bang on. Basically, what is calorie? In dieting context, your body weight is only dependent on the number of calories that you are intaking, the food which you are intaking, and the number of calories you are burning, the number of calories you are consuming versus the number of calories you are burning in a day. So according to that, your body weight increases or decreases. It is so, I'll discuss it first. So basically, what is a calorie? A calorie is the amount of energy required to raise temperature of water by 1 degree Celsius. Definition. While we talk about food calorie, it is the measurement of energy of food in terms of some unit which we prefer because we have to maintain our diet, right? When you eat the food, you are consuming the energy stored in the food, and then your body utilizes that energy to keep your organism moving and also to keep people stay alive. Alternatively, if all the energy is not used, it can be stored. So some energy can be stored in muscle and liver as glycogen, and these stores fill up fast. So excessive amount of energy is stored in the form of excessive fats. So guys, while we talk about calorie balances, there are 3 types of calorie balances: positive calorie balances, negative calorie balances, and neutral calorie balances. Let's talk about negative calorie balances. What are they basically? So it occurs when someone burns more calories than he or she consumes. Here your body needs more calories to produce energy for your daily function than it gets from your food. That means it has to make up the difference by burning up the stored energy. So probably you are gonna lose weight just because the energy will come from the muscle tissues, breakdown of muscle tissues. From there you will get energy just because you are not providing enough energy from your food, right? So basically you will start losing weight, and it's 100% guaranteed. It also been tested in various labs and also in universities, right? While we talk about neutral calorie balance, the amount of calorie which you are consuming is equal to the amount of calories which you are burning in a day, right? And how to calculate how many calories you are burning, I'll be discussing it right in the next video, right? While we talk about positive energy balance, we are intaking, in order to gain our weight, we are intaking more calories, more food than we are burning. We are burning less calories, but we are intaking more calories. So that's what creating some sort of calorie plus, and that's what helps us to increase weight. Various scientists' researches has been shown that while doing the same procedure, calorie surplus in a diet for numerous days can lead you to gain in weight. And it depends on you whether you will gain in fat, you will consume the right amount of fat. That also I will be discussing in a later video. In positive calorie balance, as I said previously, the extra energy will be stored as glycogen in the liver and even in the muscles, and the excess energy will be stored in the form of fat, just I said you guys few seconds back. If you don't exercise, the most part of your weight gain will be due to the fat gain. Calorie balance determines how much muscle or how much fat you gain over a particular period of time when you are following a particular diet. Why so? Calories are building block of your body. So if you need to build muscle, then you not only have to train but also provide your body with good nutrients which will help gradually to form muscle cells. If you want to burn fat, then you have to make sure that not enough energy are settled into the fat cells to keep them the same size. So guys, that's all for today. I wanted to clarify some calories concept. So next video will be BMR, how to calculate it, right? So guys, stay tuned, many more videos to come, and I assure you by the end of 4 to 5 months you guys will prepare your own diet chart, right? So guys, till then, see you, have a good time.